Today we will discuss about the causes of depletion of the resources and environmental degradation. So, the number of factors that are responsible for the depletion of resources and environmental degradation is a source of economic growth. So, these are the factors which are responsible for the depletion of the natural resources and also responsible for environmental degradation. So, we are going to discuss the point one by one. First is the industrialization. This is an essential part of the economic growth, and it has also created a large demand for the raw materials. Now, industrialization is also a part of the economic growth, and it has also created a large demand for the raw materials. But at the same time, it has also put a pressure on the natural resources like agriculture and also the mineral resources, and which has caused, and this has resulted in what? This has resulted in the depletion of the natural resources. Now what happened? Industrialization has resulted in the emission of what? Greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, and this has led to global warming. That means rise in the global temperature. Now industrialization has led to what? Water pollution. Why? Because there's a large discharge of the chemicals into the rivers and other water bodies. And also what? Industrialization, which has required a large quantity of natural resources for the mass production, and this has led to what? This has led to the depletion of the natural resources. Next point is what? Urbanization. So now let's see what is urbanization. Now see, this industrialization is what? This is accompanied by the urbanization. Now as the cities grow, there is an increase in the demand for the residential houses. Now as cities are growing, so there will be what? There will be an increase in the demand for the residential houses. Now what happened? Increase in population of the urban areas, agricultural land and forest land has been encroached. Now because the population has been increased, so therefore the agricultural land, the forest land, this has been encroached. Now an increase in the number of vehicles in the urban areas also what? Which has led to the air pollution, and ever growing urban population has also led to what? Water pollution. Why? Because there is a discharge of urban waste into the rivers and the other water bodies. Now this we all know that whatever we are discharging, we are discharging where? In the water, and for this reason the water is being polluted. Next is population growth. Increase in the human population is also responsible for the depletion of the resources and economic degradation. A very large tract of the forest and grassland have been converted into agricultural land to provide food for the exploding population. As there is a huge increase in the population, so therefore what happened? The forest land, the grassland, they all have been converted into the agricultural land just to provide food for this increasing population. Now as the population increase in the demand for energy also. So population also what happened? As population are increasing, so it has also led to increase in what? Demand for energy. Now fossil fuels are what? Fossil fuels are used in the urban areas, and fuel wood is used in the rural areas. So this indiscriminate use of energy is responsible for what? This is responsible for the rapid depletion. Next is what? Technological progress. Modern technology has created large demand for the resources for production. Mass scale production has also led to what? Excess production due to large scale wastage of resources, and this has resulted in depletion of resources. Next is what? Agriculture development. The area under the cultivation has increased so as to increase the agricultural production. This has what happened? This has led to deforestation, and thereby it has led to environment degradation. Okay, why it has led to environment degradation? Because area under the cultivation has increased. Okay, and how it can be increased? By cutting down the forest. So, and as a result, what happened? The environment is degraded. So high yielding variety of seed also have increased agricultural productivity. Though the high yielding variety of seed is increasing the agricultural productivity, but the indiscriminate use of fertilizers, pesticides had definitely has increased the agricultural yields, but at the same time it has also led to what? Severe environmental hazard. So this was for the today's class. The next, so those who haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it so that you won't miss out any of the videos. Keep watching the channel.